Hello, lifestylers. This is your girl, Yoli, and you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. So, guys, if it's your first time here on my channel, just go ahead, guys, and hit that subscribe button. Remember to give your girl a thumbs up. All right, and turn your post notification on, so whenever time I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. And guys, I absolutely love interacting with you guys in the comment section, so don't hesitate. Interact with your girl in the comment section. So for my subbies that support me week after week, you know your girl love and appreciate you all. So guys, today is Sunday, but today I won't be going to church, you know, Sunday worship day, but myself and Hubby just celebrated our anniversary on Friday. So, you know, yesterday we just kind of just chill and, you know, kind of enjoy each other's company. But today we're going out for dinner. We're going out for a little, you know, yeah, we're going out for a little dinner. So your girl just here. I haven't spread my bed. I haven't done anything. I'm just here. Guys, I don't know if you guys know this Joshua Selman song for my you know, for my Christian friends or my believers who love to worship. Guys, this song, guys, let me give you guys a little something. Lord, let me rewind it a little. YouTube won't let me okay, I started over. I know this might be a copyright. Breathe, Lord, breathe. Breathe upon my life. Come on, guys. Tell God. Breathe, Lord. Breathe. Breathe, Lord. Breathe. Breathe upon our life. Sing with me, guys. Breathe, Lord. Guys, I gotta put you in there. Breathe upon our lives. Receive. I manifest your power and your wisdom to the nations. See Jesus lifted up and exalted. Success. Receive. Hey, manifest. Guys, your power. Sing with your girl. Your wisdom to the nation. See Jesus lifted up. Hey, refine. Breathe, Lord, breathe. Guys, we're not stop worship. We're not stop prayer. We're not stop sing till we see God exalted throughout all the earth, right? Breathe, Lord, breathe. Breathe, Lord, breathe. Breathe upon our lives. Breathe, Lord, breathe. Breathe, Lord, breathe. Breathe upon our lives. Yes, manifest. Yes, your power, your wisdom. I will manifest that. Nations see Jesus lifted up, glorified, exalted, 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 exalted. Worship session, guys. The true with God church, we still like give thanks. Breathe, breathe, Lord, breathe. Breathe upon our lives. Yes, God. Father God, may everyone, Lord God, who encounter this video, this vlog, this YouTube video, God, breathe upon their lives. May they experience your goodness like never before, Lord God. May they experience your favor like never before, mighty God. May blessing fall upon their generations, mighty God. Hey, a church together, guys. Hey, hey, yes, Sister Tina. Yes, 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 God. Your power and your wisdom till the nation. Guys, remember, we each have a part to play. It up, refine, breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe upon my life and my subby life. Breathe, Lord, breathe. Breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe upon everyone that watched this vlog. Hey, breathe, Lord, breathe. Hey, breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe upon our lives. You're exalted, you're exalted, exalted, exalted. Lifted up, lifted up, lifted up, lifted up. Let's exalt him, exalt him, exalted, exalted. I receive, manifest your power and your wisdom. The nation see Jesus lifted up, glorify. Breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe upon our lives. Yes, breathe. Let this be your prayer this week, guys. Tell God to breathe upon your life. Breathe upon your finances. Breathe upon your home. Breathe upon your marriage. Breathe upon your business. Breathe upon the bank account, guys. Breathe. Woo! Yes. Breathe upon that exam. Yes, yes. Breathe upon everything. All right. Breathe upon that relationship. Breathe upon that friendship. Yes, Lord. Yes. Breathe upon your mother. Breathe upon your father, your sister, your brother. Hey. Let that be your prayer, guys. This week, just ask God to breathe upon everything. Just say, God, breathe. Breathe upon everything that concerns me. Breathe upon my children. Breathe upon their decision making. Yes, guys, because you know, we have some teenagers who are like, I have a teenager who's stepping out into the real world. And this week, my prayer is that God will breathe up on every decision that he will make. Because remember, I can only give counsel now, but I can't make every decision for him, right? So I want God to breathe upon his decision. My two younger kids who are going back to school, I'm going to ask God to breathe upon them, cover them, watch over them, breathe upon their teachers, because remember, the teachers have to put up with them. Yes, so we have to ask God to breathe upon the school, upon the school system. Yes. Breathe, breathe, Lord, breathe, breathe upon our life. Breathe upon my bloodline, mighty God. Forgive them for things that they shouldn't have done, mighty God. It will not fall down on this generation. It will not fall down on my children. Nope, nope, nope. Yes. Exalted. Exalted. Guys, do not forget church to pray now. We're right at home. Yes. Yes, guys. The little prayer session ends, but I hope you guys have a blessed week. And as I ask God to breathe upon you guys. Breathe upon the things that you don't talk about, but you're believing him for. I pray that you guys will see favor, that you will see the hands of God upon every situation that you're believing him for. You know, I pray for those things. I pray that this week will be a week of supernatural breakthrough and testimonies, and you will come back and say, Lifestyle with Yoli, I said the prayer and I've seen the hands of God move in my life. So hear what, you know, take my advice, all right? Have a blessed week. Actually, it's not done. We still come back. Start again. Excuse me.
Cut that out. Mom, stop!
Yeah, the vlog yourself and spread it, man.
Yes, sissy. I'm getting myself ready for my day. Real life of an influencer. You don't know how this thing goes.
No, sis, me can't be an influencer. I'm not gonna watch me, I'm friend for them.
No, when I don't want to run, God.
Because I don't want to be in your video light.
When run, God.
So I can say, guys, watch me spread my bed.
No, they're going to see me Sunday routine and get ready to go out.
So you say they're going to pick stuff.
Then I going to put the dress on the...
And then I'm going to pick what you wear?
Yeah, I got to...
How are you supposed to pick it?
When,
YouTube's not in live time.
pick it when she gone out.
It's not even live time.
You said, guys, lucky guess what I wore out.
Yes,
I already gone out. So you want that influencer to pick where you wear when they're done gone
I
out
went
already.
to post it now go to...
Don't you post that kind of stuff as shorts?
Daquan, I can't take me a look. I want to post. I want to sing every Wednesday.
She's one of those influencers that say, guys, this is a get ready with me. Pick what I wear. And then she already gone out.
No. You want to help? Come on in.
No, I don't want to help you make you better. No.
Come. So, Daquan.
What happened?
Eat? What did you guys eat?
What happened is my phone.
Exactly.
What did you guys eat?
My girlfriend's probably wondering why am I not
What?
taking her back.
Tell your girlfriend I pay your bill.
Oh, mic drop. Defend that.
You're cutting that out.
What? No.
You're not adding that as a funny moment because that's not funny. That is not
Right?
funny
That's not funny.
What is that? Wow!
It's not
Guys, they did give me a funny moment, eh?
You're not, I promise you're not adding
Wait,
that
what?
in. You're not adding that in.
I am.
No.
You know what would make it not funny? If you give her an answer, then it would have funny. Right? But you just take it like that.
You're not adding that in.
So what you going to do when you sleep on our YouTube?
What you gonna do?
You have to tell your girlfriend, don't watch this week's
I promise you,
episode.
you're not adding it in.
What?
Or I'm gonna report it with multiple accounts.
Don't tell me say our enemy in the house.
Right?
Huh? You're gonna
My child is my enemy. My
You
blockage.
need my consent to post it.
My child is my
We're
blockage.
gonna report it as inappropriate content.
Yes, and I want to make like 20 YouTube accounts say doing that.
Really?
But you have proof of you saying it right now.
Right?
Huh? No, you know I'm
Okay, I
talking.
guess we're going to court then for it.
Oh my God.
She won't put that
Drink
up,
some
man.
water, guys, and mind my business.
She won't put that up.
You're not putting it up, man.
This is my page.
Remember his lady watch your channel too?
So, she know I love her. I love you, baby girl.
Oh my God.
You embarrassed? Huh? You should happy she love her daughter-in-law.
Right?
Alright, next subject.
Guys, he started it. And now, even this one here.
Who is this one here? Me have a name. We could have write out other. But even this one
Guys,
here. Excuse
imagine,
me.
they know I'm a vlogger. And every time they come, don't put me in it in a don't, like, what?
Because we can pick and choose.
Excuse
We're
me?
name lifestyle really. Huh? We
No.
can pick and
I'm not rate
choose.
to the man. I'm not
Maybe
rate
you
to
don't
the
rate we.
rate to no.
Maybe you don't rate we.
No.
You have thousands of subscribers
Guys,
now.
I'm not rate them.
What do you mean you don't rate us?
They know I'm a vlogger.
I was your first like and comment. What do you mean you don't rate me?
Yeah, but guys,
Are you actually?
Of course.
guys, guess what? Tina have a style.
About with enemy living in your house. I'm our biggest supporter.
Guys,
Huh?
Tina, she does me a vlog. You know? Before she does.
They want me run go down.
What? Come in the video.
What if you don't want to comb me here? What if you don't want to put on
So
tired?
what? I'm not dressed.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Yes, ma'am?
Promise get medicine from morning.
That is it.
What time is it?
That is it.
Guys, my baby girl have tonsillitis.
2:13.
I think that time. Okay, I'm coming.
Tell them you catch them later.
Pardon me?
Just speak.
No, you can give her, please. I would appreciate that.
She twang it. When she vlogging and make she scandal you on YouTube.
Guys, you see, this is what I have to deal with, and this is what I'm gonna say. Like, you see, Tina, narrator.
A scandal you to the lifestylers.
Narrator.
Promise?
Let Granny give you your medicine, Mama.
Grandma call you for medicine.
Anyways, guys, as I was saying,
Bedspread. That's it.
we don't talk to her, guys. It's our anniversary weekend, so you know we are going on a little date. Yes, so I'm gonna show you two fit, or maybe me I go shower and try it on, and you guys tell me which one I should wear.
Even though she has
either
gone already, guys, by the time you respond.
or which one looks better, right? So yeah, we're gonna do that. Me either go try it on, and then you guys tell me what looks better. All right. I have this maxi dress, and I absolutely love it. Guys, this is a what do you call it? Guess maxi dress. So I don't know if you guys see the detail. So here is like some embroidery, you know, and the back of that little V, and then you know there's a lot of little detail. It's simple, guys, but it's really nice. So I'm thinking of wearing this or this, guys. I have this outfit for what, like 2 years? Yeah. So I'm like, outside is a little cool today. So I'm like, maybe I'll wear this. So it comes with a, what do you call this pant? Like a, what do you call this pants? Bell foot or...
I know bell foot, sis.
What is it called?
It's more like a loose fit.
Yeah, so it's like a loose fit palazzo.
Is that it?
I don't know.
Cause you're so confident.
I don't know. And then it's
a little open back.
Yeah, a little open back. Not too much. It's not too much, you know? And it's like a little crop top. So I'm thinking I could wear that, and then I would wear like my white sandals with my white bag. I could wear a white with either one.
Both, yeah.
And then I would wear my gold accessories. Yeah. What y'all think? Which one should I wear? This or
pick one, guys. Pick one. Let her know what to wear.
You.
Oh, you're talking to
me?
So, guys, she asked me for my opinion after she just don't class me.
Which one, which one? The dress. Yeah, the dress. You really feel up.
So why you asking if you don't want his info?
You want your mother to look very.
You want her to look modest.
Yeah.
I say the pants set.
Guys, I feel like I lost some weight, and I don't know if this is gonna give me the look that I want.
I say the pants set though.
Okay.
It's your anniversary. You should be wearing that.
What, dress?
The dress? Oh, I get your point. I get your point.
Look?
Yeah, he has a point there.
Okay, let me show them the sandals that I would wear with. So
okay, guys, so she's
let me show you
she's looking for the shoes and the bag to show you guys, so you guys can choose for her.
Let me see. I would wear this. No, this is red. So guys, I can wear this, right? The white sandals, right?
With both.
Aquan said this, Tina said this.
But I get Aquan's point though. The dress has more of that anniversary feel.
Yeah, but Aquan is saying he wants that anniversary
modest look.
modest.
Yeah.
So you're saying that dress would, you know, so I maybe would wear this and my white bag.
Okay.
And y'all know my white bag. I've worn it many times. So, yeah. So
what you have to say about your anniversary?
What do I have to say?
Yeah.
Well,
How many years is it?
as I told the lifestylers on my previous video, it's 16 years we've been married but separated for 2, and you guys will get that story further down. I'm saving that story for my podcast, and then I will.
I didn't care about your 2 years separated.
Yeah, well,
I'm asking how many years married?
Years.
Okay.
But
so what would you say about marriage? What advice can you give your lifestylers who are, let's say they're 1 year married, 2 year married?
No,
with your
I would
16
say,
years.
Put God in the center.
Okay.
Yeah, put God in the center, and have good counsel around you. People who will careful who you share your marital issues with, because not everybody that you think is truly for you is really for you. You know, have people that, you know, genuinely love you to pour into your marriage. You know what I mean? Because marriage, guys, is full of ups and downs. It's 16 years and me and my husband we're still, I wouldn't say getting to know each other, but
We're still learning.
We're still learning. Yeah, we're still learning. We're still, trying to figure out sometimes how to deal with arguments and whatever. But one thing for sure, God is with us.
So Aquan said one advice he would give is to not have children too young. What age did you have Aquan?
Well, I had Aquan at 21. And of course, yes, that's an advice I want Aquan to take for himself, right? We do not have kids until marriage.
So why did you have your first one at 21?
God, because he's a blessing. Come on.
No, answer why. You didn't answer the question.
Guys, at 21, your girl just in love. Girl, I have fun. And look what came, a blessing. Right? And I don't regret it. Honestly, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Every time I look at Aquan, it's a what do I call it? It's a screw up that I'm happy I made. Because just watching him grow, the bond that we have. I had Aquan very young, guys. And one thing for sure I can tell you, I had a very wonderful teenager. Other than, you know, the little issue them with kids give, like when it comes to respect, he knows not to play with me. You know, Aquan listen to me. You know, it's like, me not have girl problem, me not have, you know, sleep, like the problem when me hear like teen parents have, I don't have it up until this day, and Aquan is turning 19, and I'm just glad for the example that you have set for Kamani and Aquan, and promise, and continue to be an example, because remember, they're watching you. So who you choose as a partner and all those things, anything you do, they will be watching you. Right? So I'm not regret it, guys. I'm not regret it. Like it's one mistake. I wouldn't tell any teen to go make, or any young persons. It's good for you to build life, create a foundation, because I had to struggle with Aquan in so many ways, and I wouldn't want to see no 21-year-old going through what I have gone through. Yes, so set your foundation. If it's a career you need to get, if it's, you know, whatever you need to do to set that foundation financially, you know, make sure, you know, you're choosing the right partners to have kids with and all of that. So, but for me, this mistake is one that I have.
And guys, just a little disclosure. When she said she have Aquan at 21, she mean on her birthday. So she turned 21.
Guys,
she was 20 the day before. She was
we have the same birthday.
She was 20 the day before she had Aquan. Okay? So she was 20 turning 21.
Guys,
that was her birthday gift.
Me and Aquan have the same birthday. So there you go. Aquan is truly a blessing.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. So now, guys, that Aquan is 19, I'll get back my birthday. No, I'll be spoiled. No, I will be spoiled.
Aquan, what you have to say?
She's right.
Okay, she's right.
Yes.
All right, guys. I don't know if she said it already, but in the comment section, wish your girl lifestyle with Yuli a happy anniversary.
Happy
16 years and counting. More blessing, more prosperity, more favor, more supernatural doors opening. Just more in the years to come.
Yes. So guys, I'm all ready to go. So guys, I ended up wearing the dress that Aquan chose. You like it? Yeah. You look good. You look good, mommy. You look good. Oh God. Guys, Promise said I look good. What do you guys think? You love my dress?
My shoes.
Ooh, Promise said she loves my dress and my shoes. So guys, I'm gonna let Aquan give you guys a head to toe look of what the fit, you know, how the fit came out. So guys, the face beat up. Guys, on my head are what I'm wearing, guys, is my first wig, Yaki Bob unit. Guys, please let my first wig let them know that they need to sponsor me, guys. I installed this wig. I did everything. Yes, guys, look at them. So guys, look. Yeah, okay, guys, you guys can see the fit in the mirror along with those kiddos. Okay, Akon, come and show them the fit. Come. So guys, here is the finished look. So guys, as you know, Akon chose the dress. I was gonna wear a pantsuit, so I'm wearing this nice maxi dress and with my white sandals and my white bag and my sunglasses. But I don't know if the sunglasses will fit my face, guys, because I have on some extravagant lashes. So I don't think you want to come. Yeah, so I don't think I will be able to wear my glasses, guys. But let me know. Rate my date night look with Hubby. Guys, I'm going to try to see if Hubby will take a little video with me. Because he's not, guys, you know, my husband is not a camera guy. He don't like it, but he does it. So let's see if he'll do a little head to toe with me outside on the porch. All right, guys.
Oh God, we going.
You look good, baby. You look good. Yeah, I know. You look good, baby. You look good.
Hey, you look good, Yuli. You look good.
Guys.
Look good. Talk it short.
When did ask her for 360, guys, what she has spin for?
Where's this? Those songs? Guys, we are trying to get a little...
Yuli, why you talk so loud in the entire neighborhood? Did you hear her voice echoing?
Guys, anyways, cut on God. Yeah, this...
You guys ready? I need another one. What the Cap? Hello? Yuli, you are spoiling up in on come by. Better you done all like lip gloss gone for come by. Are you ready? Yuli, you laugh, I can see a kid. But better see your lip out. You don't look perk.
That's better.
So slant your body a little bit like, oh, come on. All right. Guys, we catch everything.
Okay, take
How much you have paid me for them video footage? How much you have paid me?
How much you say? Okay?
Yeah, come on, okay, you have a problem. I don't come on, you ready?
Moving when you reach.
Moving, take your garage. Okay, ready? Okay, you want to smile now, Yuli. Your face too serious. Yeah, we like it. So yeah, roll your eye for. Check the water and see. We have to tell the people then before I stop this.
You look good, baby.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye. We'll leave our guys.
So guys, we are here.
Me and my men. Oh, guys. They
Walk to the mall,
I don't know. First time I come. My friend Georgia and Fifi told me about Joey's. So you see, girls, I took your recommendation and we came on our little date night down here. Yes. So guys, I set the reservation for tomorrow instead of today. Crazy move. No, she said there is table over there. Upstairs. The stairs go down. How would you say our date day was, babe?
It's good.
It's amazing. Guys, I'm with Kamai. If you take long to eat, you kill him appetite. Well, babes, thank you for a beautiful date evening. Guys, a car caught on fire on the highway. I hope the person will burn up. Hope they make it out. Is it a truck? A truck? Like a truck, you know?
Can't see him.
It looked like he hitting at that one up a front. Wow. Hope it not explode. Can you imagine? Fire truck and come, one car. Wow. And it look like the person in there could never be in there. Eh? Could never be. Pray to God they're not in there. But you don't even see the person. Maybe the person at the police cruiser.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't